I want to visit the United States in 2026, but I am really confused about the United States visas and my budget and the best cities to see in the United States. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about traveling to the United States. It will be fast and simple and really useful for your trip to the United States. The United States is an interesting country with so many different things to see. You can see big skyscrapers in New York, casinos in Las Vegas, nice beaches in Miami, cool tech cities like San Francisco, and the really fun Disneyland in Orlando. The United States of America has a lot to offer. If you like food, the United States of America has food. If you like going out at night, the United States of America has a nightlife. The United States of America also has landmarks. If you like the outdoors, the United States of America has a lot of nice natural places too. The United States of America really has something for everyone, whether you like food, nightlife, landmarks, or nature. For people from India who want to travel to the United States of America, the United States of America requires a B1, B2 tourist visa for Indian travelers. Key requirements: valid passport min 6 months, DS-160 form submission, visa fee payment, interview appointment, biometrics, consulate interview. The processing time for this is normally between 1 month and 3 months. This is because it depends. The best time to visit the United States of America depends on the cities. When you think about the United States of America, you have to consider the cities in the United States of America. The United States of America has lots of cities, and each city in the United States of America is unique. Some cities in the United States of America are really cold in the winter. Other cities in the United States of America are really hot in the summer. So the best time to visit the cities in the United States of America is when the weather is nice, in the cities you want to visit in the United States of America. From March to May, which is spring, is a good time to go because the weather is really nice and you can see the cherry blossoms and other pretty things. June, August, summer, go for beaches, theme parks, festivals. September to November, which is the fall season, is the time to go because the weather is really nice and the colors are beautiful. December, go for the Christmas season, expensive but beautiful. There are some great cities to see in the United States of America. Here are 7 cities in the United States of America that you should totally visit. New York City, Times Square, Statue of Liberty, Central Park. Los Angeles, Hollywood, Universal Studios, Venice Beach. San Francisco, Golden Gate Bridge, Silicon Valley. I love going to Las Vegas because Las Vegas has many things to do. Las Vegas has casinos where you can try your luck. Las Vegas also has shows that are a lot of fun to watch. You can even take Grand Canyon tours from Las Vegas, which is really cool. The Grand Canyon tours from Las Vegas are a way to see the Grand Canyon. I think Las Vegas is a place to visit because of all the things you can do in Las Vegas. Orlando, Disneyland, Universal theme parks. Miami, beaches, nightlife, Cuban food. Chicago, architecture, skyscrapers, museums. Average trip cost from India to the USA for 10 to 12 days. Airplane flights, 80,000 rupees minus 130,000 rupees return. Hotels, 6,000 rupees minus 12,000 rupees per night depending on the city. Fork and knife with plate food, 1,200 rupees minus 3,000 rupees per day. I use the metro or the bus. I take an Uber to get around, and it really depends on which city I am in because different cities have different options for transport, like the metro or the bus or Uber. Ticket sightseeing, 10,000 rupees minus 40,000 rupees, depending on activities. The total budget for this is around 1.6 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees or more per person. Here are some tips for traveling in the United States of America to make your United States of America trip easier. When you get to your destination, you should buy a SIM card and a Metro card. This will make it easier for you to get around and stay in touch with people. You can buy the SIM card and Metro card soon as you arrive. Check mark book theme park tickets early. Check mark use Uber, Lyft instead of taxis. Check mark do not skip travel insurance when you are going on a trip because travel insurance is very important for people who buy travel insurance to protect themselves from things that can go wrong during travel, and people who have travel insurance can get help when they need it most. Remember that travel insurance is a must-have for your next vacation, and always make sure you have travel insurance. It is an idea to carry international cards and cash when you are traveling. You should have both cards and cash with you. This way you will have cards for payments and cash for other things. Carry cards and cash if you need help with planning a trip to the USA, including things like flights and hotels. If you want someone to make an itinerary for you, or if you require assistance with getting a visa, or if you are looking for tours, or if you want a complete package for your trip to the USA, you should get in touch with official Anex Info, and they will make sure your trip to the USA goes really smoothly and does not cost too much. For more travel guides, subscribe now to official Anex Info.